Hey everyone! Welcome back to TalkFluent. How's everyone doing today?
Yeah, hey guys. So today we're doing something a little different. We're going to have an actual English conversation right here, right now.
And the setting is a library. So imagine Sophie and I are at a library, and we're having a natural conversation in English.
And as we talk, you'll hear real phrases, real expressions, and real English that people actually use in everyday situations.
Then after the conversation, we'll break down some of the key phrases so you understand why we said what we said.
Sound good? Alright, before we start, if you're enjoying this, go ahead and hit that like button. It really helps TalkFluent reach more learners.
Yeah, and if you're new here, welcome to TalkFluent. We're James and Sophie, and we make English practical and natural. So subscribe so you don't miss our new videos.
Alright, let's jump into the conversation. Ready, James?
Ready. Let's do it.
The library conversation. Hey, James. I didn't expect to see you here.
Oh, hey Sophie. Yeah, I come here sometimes to get some work done. It's quieter than home.
I know what you mean. I can't focus at home either. Too many distractions.
Exactly. So what brings you here today?
I'm actually looking for a book on photography. I'm trying to learn how to take better photos, but I have no idea where to start.
Oh, nice. Are you into photography now?
Yeah, kind of. I've been taking photos on my phone, and I want to get more serious about it. Thought I'd check out some beginner books.
That's cool. Have you asked the librarian for help? They're usually pretty good at finding stuff.
Not yet. I was going to browse around first, but honestly, this place is huge. I might need help after all.
Yeah, libraries can be overwhelming. Do you know which section you need?
I think it's in the art section, but I'm not totally sure.
Want me to help you look? I'm done with what I was doing anyway.
Really? That'd be great. Thanks.
No problem. Let's head over there. I think the arts section is upstairs.
Oh, upstairs. Good to know. I was walking around down here forever.
Yeah, I did the same thing the first time I came here.
So what were you working on?
Just some research for a project. Nothing too exciting. I needed some peace and quiet to focus.
Makes sense. Do you come here often?
Maybe once or twice a week, usually in the afternoons when it's less crowded.
Good idea. I came on a Saturday once, and it was packed. Kids everywhere, people chatting, it was chaos.
Oh yeah, weekends are definitely busier. Weekday afternoons are the sweet spot.
I'll remember that. Oh, here we are. Arts and hobbies.
Perfect. So, photography, let's see. Ah, here's the photography section.
Oh, wow. There are so many books. I don't even know which one to pick.
What level are you? Complete beginner, or do you know a bit already?
Pretty much a beginner. I know the basics, like how to use my phone camera, but I don't know anything about real cameras or lighting or editing.
Okay, so you probably want something introductory. What about this one? Photography for beginners. Looks pretty straightforward.
Yeah, this looks good. Lots of pictures, easy to read. I like it.
And it's not too thick either, so you won't get overwhelmed.
Exactly. I hate when books are like 1,000 pages long. I lose motivation halfway through.
Same. Short and practical is the way to go.
All right, I think I'll check this one out. Thanks for helping me find it.
No worries, happy to help. Are you going to check it out now, or keep looking around?
I'll check it out now. I don't want to lose track of it. Plus, I should probably get going soon anyway.
Fair enough. The checkout desk is downstairs, right near the entrance.
Got it. Are you heading out too, or staying a bit longer?
I think I'll stay for another hour or so. Might grab a coffee from the cafe downstairs after.
Oh, they have a cafe here?
Yeah, a small one. It's not fancy, but it's convenient. Good coffee too.
Nice. I didn't even know that. I might check it out next time.
You should. It's a good spot to sit and read if you get tired of the silent areas upstairs.
Perfect. All right, I'm going to head down and check this out. Thanks again for your help, James.
Anytime. Enjoy the book, and good luck with your photography journey.
Thanks. See you later.
See you. Take care.
Breaking down the conversation. All right, so that was our library conversation. Now, let's break down some of the key phrases and expressions we used.
Yeah, because there were a lot of natural, everyday phrases in there that you might not learn in a textbook.
First phrase, I didn't expect to see you here. This is a friendly way to say you're surprised to run into someone.
Right. It shows you weren't planning to meet, but you're happy about it. It's casual and warm.
Next, what brings you here today? This is a polite way to ask why someone is at a particular place.
It's more conversational than just asking, "Why are you here?" which can sound a bit blunt.
Then I said, I have no idea where to start. This means you're feeling overwhelmed or don't know the first step.
Native speakers use this all the time when they're learning something new or facing a big task.
Another phrase, I'm into photography now. Into means you're interested in something or passionate about it.
You can say, I'm into cooking, I'm into hiking, I'm into music. It's super versatile.
Next one. Libraries can be overwhelming. Overwhelming means something is so big or complicated that it's hard to handle.
You can use it for places, tasks, emotions, anything that feels like too much.
Then James said, Want me to help you look? This is a casual, friendly way to offer help.
It's less formal than would you like me to assist you, which sounds stiff. Want me to help is natural and conversational.
I replied, That'd be great. Thanks. That'd is short for that would. Native speakers contract words like this all the time in casual conversation.
Exactly. It sounds smoother and more natural than saying the full phrase.
Another phrase, I did the same thing. This means you had a similar experience.
It's a way to relate to someone and show you understand what they're going through.
Then I asked, "Do you come here often?" This is a common question to ask about someone's habits or routines.
You can use it for any place: restaurants, gyms, parks. It's a great conversation starter.
James said, "Weekday afternoons are the sweet spot." Sweet spot means the perfect or ideal time, place, or option.
It's informal and expressive. Native speakers love this phrase.
Then, I don't even know which one to pick. This shows you're having trouble making a decision.
The word even adds emphasis. It shows you're really struggling to choose.
James asked, "What level are you?" This is a way to ask about someone's skill or experience in something.
You can ask this about languages, sports, hobbies, anything with levels of expertise.
I said, "I lose motivation halfway through." This means you start something but can't finish because you get discouraged.
It's honest and relatable. A lot of people feel this way about long books or big projects.
Another phrase, "Short and practical is the way to go." The way to go means the best option or approach.
You can say, electric cars are the way to go, or online learning is the way to go. It's versatile.
Then I said, "I don't want to lose track of it." This means you don't want to forget where something is or lose your progress.
You can lose track of time, of a book, of a conversation topic. It's very common.
And finally, take care. This is a friendly way to say goodbye.
It's warmer than just bye but still casual. Native speakers use it all the time.
All right, quick recap. We just had a full conversation in a library setting, and you heard tons of natural English phrases.
Phrases like, "What brings you here?" "I'm into," "Want me to help?" "Sweet spot," and "the way to go."
These aren't textbook phrases. They're real expressions native speakers use every single day.
So practice them. Use them in your own conversations. The more you use them, the more natural they'll feel.
And remember, English conversations don't need to be perfect. They just need to be real and natural.
That's it for today. Thanks so much for watching.
Your homework. Pick 3 phrases from today's conversation and use them this week. Then comment below which ones you used.
If this conversation-style video helped you, hit that like button. It helps TalkFluent grow and reach more learners.
And if you haven't subscribed to TalkFluent yet, go ahead and do that now. We post new English lessons regularly.
Thanks for being part of the TalkFluent community. We appreciate you.
Keep practicing, keep improving, and we'll see you in the next video.
Bye.